Welcome to Washington State History, the week of October 24th through the 28th. If you look at our announcements, you will see that this week we are working in 2.08, Facing Discrimination. You will be using your Classkick study guide, available in Classkick under 2.08. Go to the Content tab, find your work, and complete each section's work. Tuesday you have a quiz. It's a one-question true or false on understanding a thesis statement. Thursday, Friday, you also have a quiz. Remember that if you don't like your score, which is one chance on your multiple choice quiz, you can email me to request that your completed Classkick study guide be used instead of your quiz score. So please click your Content tab, scroll down to 2.08, and find your work for Monday through Friday. So here's Monday and the documents that you will need. Tuesday with the documents that you need to complete your Classkick study guide. And then Wednesday, Thursday, make sure you're reading these definitions of stakeholders, beliefs, and values before reading these resources. Remember that one is a letter and the second is the read aloud. It's optional. And then another reading with the read aloud if you like it, if you like that. All right, have a fantastic day. Thank you.